friends, in this video we are going to solve the captain's room problem from Python. The problem description is given as Mr. Anand Asangshay is the manager of Infinite Hotel. The hotel has an infinite amount of rooms. One fine day, a finite number of tourists come to stay at the hotel. The tourists consist of a captain, an unknown group of families consisting of k members per group where k is not equal to 1. The captain was given a separate room and the rest were given one room per group. Mr. Anand has an unordered list of randomly arranged room entities. The list consists of the room numbers for all of the tourists. The room numbers will appear k times per group except for the captain's room. We need to note this point. Mr. Anand needs you to help him for the captain's room number. The total number of tourists or the total number of groups of families is not known to us. The only known to us the value of k and the room number list. Input format. The first line consists of an integer k, the size of each group. The second line contains the unordered elements of the room number list. Constraints. The value of k ranges from 1 to 1000 exclusive or number, that is only one number. Sample input. Given 5 and a set of room numbers, sample output is 8. Here explanation is given. The list of room numbers contain 31 elements. Since k is 5, there must be 6 groups of families. In the given list, all of the numbers repeat 5 times except for room number 8. Hence, the 8 is the captain's room number. Here, our code looks like this. In the first case, we are taking the number of size of the each group. The first line k of an integer, the size of the each group. Hence, there is no need to store it in the variable. Hence, I am taking the underscore in order to not to violate the rules. A is equals to input dot split. Here, it is taken into the variable a. We are taking two variables s and t which are sets. For I in range of a, in a we are taking every one element from the a variable, and if it is not present in s, then we are adding it to s and t. If it is present in s, then we are discarding it from the variable t. Let's consider some cases. If 1 is in the first, initially we are taking 1, whether initially s and t are empty. If we take 1 that is not present in s and t, so we are adding it to s and t using predefined method dot add for each sets. And for 2, next we obtain value 2. Whether 2 is present in s and t? No. Hence we are adding s2 to s and t. Next 3. If 3 is present in s? No. Hence we are adding to both. If we perform the same thing for all the values, for only for the value of 8, we are adding to both s and t, and for all the remaining values, we are discarding from the t when we observe or when we get the same number next time. Hence, after completion of all the elements in the set S, we obtain only single element in the set T. Hence, in order to obtain the output, we are using the pop predefined method in order to print the output, or else you can use T of 0 for printing the value at the position index 0 in the set T. Let's run our code. We passed sample test case. Let's submit our code. We passed all the test cases. I think you understood. That's all in this tutorial. Thank you.